Time travel is a fascinating concept that has been explored in various works of fiction and has captured the imagination of many people. While time travel to the past and future is a popular theme, time travel has not been scientifically proven or achieved. However, I can provide some insights into the common theories and ideas associated with time travel and the potential paradoxes that may arise. Time travel to the past typically raises questions about causality and the possibility of paradoxes. One such paradox is the grandfather paradox. Imagine you travel back in time and prevent your grandparents from meeting, which would result in your own non-existence. But if you don't exist, then how could you have traveled back in time to prevent their meeting? This creates a logical contradiction. Other paradoxes like the bootstrap paradox involve an object or information existing without any clear origin. For example, if you travel back in time and give a famous artist a painting, and that artist later becomes famous for creating that painting, where did the painting originally come from? It creates a loop with no discernible beginning. Resolving these paradoxes is a topic of debate and is often addressed in different ways in works of fiction. Some theories propose that time travel to the past might create alternate timelines or parallel universes, where changes made in the past do not affect the traveler's original timeline. Time travel to the future is generally considered to be less paradoxical. According to the theory of relativity, time dilation can occur when an object is moving at a significant fraction of the speed of light or in the presence of a strong gravitational field. As a result, time would appear to pass more slowly for the moving object or in the stronger gravitational field. This effect has been observed in experiments with high-speed particles and atomic clocks. While this form of time travel allows for time travel into the future, it does not permit backward travel or changing events in the past. It is more like a form of time skipping. Speculative ideas like wormholes, which are shortcuts through space-time, have also been suggested as a possible means for traveling to the future. However, the scientific understanding of wormholes is still theoretical, and their actual existence or practical use remains uncertain. It's worth noting that time travel, especially to the past, is currently considered to be highly speculative and subject to numerous paradoxes and logical inconsistencies. Scientists continue to explore the fundamental principles of time and space, but as of now, the practical realization of time travel remains purely in the realm of science fiction.